All right, traders, I see here an opportunity. It's about 1 o'clock Eastern New York time. The market is heading up to the roadmap zone. Now, this software is DayTradeToWin proprietary software available for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Okay, we have a audible alert, we have a text alert, so the signal and the alert fired off 55.22.75. That's where we want to enter long. Now, to explain to you why we are entering long, the blueprint is giving us a signal and we're heading up to the roadmap zone. Now, it doesn't matter if you have NinjaTrader or TradingView, the software is available. Let me expand here the chart here a little bit. And we can use the ATM strategy or adjust the target and the stops ourselves. I like to use the ATM strategy 1 times the ATR for the target. Now, using 1 contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts, it depends on if you want to use micros. What's most important is managing the trade using the techniques that we teach, making sure there's nothing conflicting.
Target filled.
Okay, the target is hit and you're done. We're not re-entering the trade. We may have another trade now that it leads into the roadmap and reverses, but that's a different idea altogether. The accelerated mentorship includes all the software and courses. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get more information and get started trading. If you like these videos and want to learn more, check out the links in the description below in this video. We have a free member account access for all traders. Join our live training room. Get the videos and training you need to be successful when trading the markets for TradingView or NinjaTrader.